Welcome back, fellow YouTubers. This is DMBLAIR, and I got a package. Did I get a package, camera guy?
Yeah, we got a package.
Did I? Do you see it? Do you know where it's at?
No,
You can't see the package, can you? Package. You know where it's at? Guess where it's at? There's the package. Guess what? It's a big one. You're not going to believe what's in this package, y'all. This is from TIE CBD. I got with them, and I got my order. I think I ordered a lot. You think I ordered a lot, camera guy?
I think we did order a lot.
I think there's a lot in this box. I mean, there's a lot in this box. Okay, so first off, let's think for a minute. If DMBLAIR got a package from TIE, then they must be some pretty cool people, wouldn't you think? I mean, it's not like I'm getting something from, I don't know, like some clothing store, or it's not like I'm ordering a pair of sneakers. I ordered some CBD products, man. I got a big box of stuff in here. Guess what? We're going to open it up. Now, I cut the seal here, and I wrote a little something on the top here for me to remember. Remember. Sorry, guys. Something on here for me to remember, so don't look at this. This is private. But look at all the stuff in this box. I mean, look at this. I haven't even taken anything out yet, and it's completely full to the top. Like the paper covers all the stuff. Okay, so we got a ton of stickers here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stickers. Got 6 stickers. They say CBD with a black tie and the website information on them. Those are awesome. Thank you, guys. I didn't order the stickers. Stickers are free, I guess. How about that? And then there's notice law enforcement. That's awesome. Awesome. That means coppers back off. And then we got a big, thick packet of fun stuff. Look at all that stuff. There's so much in there. You hear how thick that is? That's a thick packet. That's a thick packet. What do we do with all this stuff? That's what we lay it over here. So, to start, apparel. DMBLAIR got some apparel. Look at this. I got a white shirt. It says TIE CBD on it. That's pretty cool. Premium CBD products right on it. Shout out to TIE. And then I got another TIE CBD shirt because I like to make videos. That's awesome, guys. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So we got another TIE CBD shirt. And we got a hat. Look at that. That's freaking cool. It says TIE CBD on the sign. .net. That's really awesome. Now, the fun stuff. We got a, what do you call that, camera guy? That's a vape pen?
It's a pen.
Vape pen?
And
cartridge?
And a CBD cartridge.
Now, here's the thing, guys. I can't tell you, I don't know what type of strain they use to make the cartridge because it says the distillate. Guess it's a secret. And I got, let's see, I got some tincture. I think this one was the 1200 milligram tincture from TIE CBD. I like their little packaging. It's really awesome. So we got that and that and that. And we got an awesome gummy. It says lunchbox on it. What's in your lunchbox? I think I said seen right there.
Yeah.
See that right? Yep, what's in your lunchbox? I seen that right. And then the pièce de résistance. All the strains I got. Now, this box is empty. Let's see here. I think we should, look, DMBLAIR. Whoa! That's awesome. I think we should open this bag now, and I wonder if it's got the names of the strains on the bags. I mean, it just says black tie on it. I think we should check it out and see. Let's see. Got a pair of scissors. I think they trust me with sharp things around here. Let's see, I'm gonna try and do this real neat, like, because I like to keep the bag. It looks really nice. So let's try and get real neat with this. It's got my name on it. That's really sweet. And here we go. Almost done. Here we go. So let's open it up. I don't smell nothing. Not really. You smell anything, camera guy?
Nah.
Nah.
Meh.
Nah. Let's see. Yes, it has the names on it, I think. The Jack, #1. The Jack. And Candyland. Black Tie CBD. And what's that one say? Mothership #2. So what I'll do is I'll make a list of the strains that came with this and the extra stuff. And you guys can tell me what you want to see first. Because, I mean, you know, if you're veterans here, you're going to want to vote. There's a couple more in here. Let's see, I got... I can't read it too well. Chem Dawg. And this one is Amnesia Haze. Oh, there's so much more. And Bubblegum 2. And this one is Bubblegum Indoor. White package there. And this one is Orange Cookie. You can't miss that. It says Orange Cookie right on it. White. And that's the end of it. So guys, this was an awesome box of stuff I got. Whole bunches here. So as you can see, there's going to be many review videos coming up from Black Tie CBD. We took the time to talk back and forth. Me and a gentleman there by the name of Kyle talked back and forth about a lot of cool stuff coming up. Things we want to do together and work on. Shout out to Kyle from Black Tie CBD. Awesome products. So far they look fantabulous. If you guys want to cast some votes, please feel free to let me know what you want to see. Because there's a lot. Got the Black Tie CBD hat. What do you think?
Nice.
You like it?
It's awesome.
It's awesome. It feels awesome. I mean, is this what awesome feels like? Like, is this the feeling of awesome? I think it's the feeling of awesome. I think Black Tie CBD is cool. I like their simple little design with the square and the little tie. And I think that's really cool. There's so much more on their website too. I mean, if you go out there, I'll put the website information on the description. Now, I know I say I'll put it in the description. it's not there today, it'll be there tomorrow. I mean, most of my videos I make them at like 3 o'clock in the morning now. Just camera guy works a full-time job, I work a full-time job, and it's hectic. So you guys gotta bear with me. Sometimes I just make the videos, upload them, and go to sleep. Everybody needs to sleep. So here's the stickers. Here's the paperwork. What do you think you're into first there, camera guy? Do you think you know what you'd want to do first? I know which one I want to do first. There's one I've heard of as a regular THC strain that I've always wanted to try, and now that it's in a CBD strain, I can't wait to try it.
I'm thinking the Jack.
The Jack! Wow! The Jack!
What was that you thinking?
No.
What were you thinking?
I was thinking more like, maybe like the Chem Dawg.
Chem Dawg.
Chem Dawg. I've always wanted to try Chem Dawg in the actual like THC strain, and never got to. So, you know, being able to try it in the CBD strain would probably be pretty wicked. So here you go, guys. Until next time, I'm gonna be waiting for you to cast your votes on all this awesome stuff. I mean, even if you want to see this first, I mean, if it's not a strain you want to see, if you want to watch me eat the gummy, whatever. It's up to y'all. Really, seriously, you're gonna vote. I know you're gonna vote, and you're gonna tell me what you want to see first, and we're gonna fucking review it, man, because there's a lot of here I gotta do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then some. There's still more coming. I got some other orders coming from other places too. So, along with a review of this company, something out of this company, and then we're going to add some reviews from some other companies, from some of the other packages I opened and stuff like that. Plus, I do have some packages I got where it's just one thing, and we're not going to do a package opening of that. We'll just do a review of that product. So, there's a lot coming up, guys. It's a lot to do, and I hope you guys feel free to tune in, join us, check it out. If there's any of these you'd like to see me press, now that we got a press, if you'd like to see me press the Jack, or Bubblegum Kush, or Bubblegum, or whatever it is, or Bubblegum Indoor, I think was the other one. Sorry, not Kush. So many different names here, man. I can't keep it all together. It's like spread thin here. Mothership. If you guys would like to see me like press a Mothership or something, whatever, just put it in the comments below. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're feeling. Tell me what you want to see. I'm here for you. And with that said, shout out to Taz. I think on Instagram is Taz is the one, Taz underscore is underscore the underscore one. He's got his own strain now. If you guys, I know I'm a little late. Been really busy, and I'm sorry. But if you guys don't know, Taz got his own strain from Monroe Farms, I think it is. What a lucky guy. What a lucky guy. He's really burning it up. I'm proud of him. And guys, get on over there. Check out Monroe Farms. Check out Taz if you haven't. Any more shout outs, man? It's been a while since we've done some, so I thought in this big old video we'd do a shout out section. Shout out to...
I just say shout out to the squad.
The squad. You know, I mean, camera guy's been thinking there's a squad. Is there a squad?
It's with a hemp squad, yeah.
The hemp squad. Can you believe it? There's a hemp squad.
Hemp squad. Yo, commenting in the below, hemp squad.
Hashtag hemp squad. I don't know what else to do. Any other shout outs to somebody just started a new channel. I'll put the channel in the description. Friend of mine on Instagram. I can't think what's it called? Blazing something. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. It's late. Blazing CBD something. I'll put it in the description. Make sure you hit that and you go over there and you subscribe to his channel. I'll definitely have the name of the channel in the next video. I'm so sorry, my friend, that I can't remember. It's a hemp leaf with sunglasses. It's red and he's got a spliff in his mouth. I can't think of it. The Blazing I'm so sorry. So, until next time, guys, I guess that's about it with the shout-outs since I can't keep it together. Yeah, I think that's about it. So, till next time, guys, I'll be right here sitting, waiting to review something for you. I'm going to get all these into pictures, man.